So gentlemen, from the supervising teacher, you will receive another piece of paper. What I want you to do is I want you to fold that piece of paper in half. Make a nice clean crease down the side. Now this time you're going to use a ruler and you're going to create a quadrilateral. So it's a shape that's got four sides. In that quadrilateral, can you please label the angles? So in mine, I'm going to label them A, B, C, and D. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your scissors and you're going to carefully cut around the outside of that shape, making sure that you leave that line so that you can see it. Okay, so we now have two of the exact same shape. What we then want to do is we want to label the corresponding angles in the second shape. So A, B, C, and D. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue that one into our exercise book. So I'm just going to use a piece of paper as the example, but you're going to use your exercise book. So the one that doesn't have the outline, you're going to glue that shape into your exercise book. And then what you're going to do is underneath, you're going to rule a straight line. And then we're going to get our second quadrilateral that we have the outline of, and we're going to use our scissors to cut the angles off of the quadrilateral. So you're going to chop each of the corners. So you can see here, I've now got A, B, C, and D. And what we're going to use is we're going to use this line and we're going to show what our angle sum of our quadrilateral is. So the first one that I'm going to place is angle B, as it's the largest of the angles in my quadrilateral. So I'm going to place angle B so that it lines up on that line. And then I'm going to place angle C. And then got angle A. And we're making sure that the vertex of each angle goes to that same midpoint. And then we've got angle D. And by sticking that down, what you can see is that this has actually created angle A, B, C, and D. It's created 360 degrees. So our rule for our quadrilateral is that the sum of our interior angles, A, B, C, and D, is 360 degrees. Because in a quadrilateral, you can create two triangles. We've just done that our angle sum of our triangle is 180 degrees. So because a quadrilateral can be broken into two triangles, it is double that. So double 180 is 360. So the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Please make sure you write all of that into your exercise book, and then you are going to get started on LQ3.